In this video, we are going to understand how I can send all these files in this folder, all these files to my mobile phone without using Bluetooth, USB cable or any other external storage facilities. For this, I have to go to my terminal first and go to that particular folder in which all the files are present. I want to transfer all these files to my mobile phone. So I am already in that folder. Now I am going to run a Python command which will create this folder on a server, and that server will be this computer. So this will be hosted on this computer. So I'll just write this command. So this is creating a server, and this computer will be listening from port number 8000, and I'll just click on enter, and you can see that it is, as of now, this 3 dot means that currently it is listening on this particular computer. So now the next thing is I just have to go to my mobile phone and I have to write the IP address of this computer :8000. So before that, I'll just go and check my IP address. If you are using Windows, then this command will be ipconfig, and if you are using Linux, then this will be ifconfig. And you can come down here and you can check that in WLAN the IP address is this 192.168. It will be starting from this 192.168. So you have to remember the IP address of this computer :8000. You have to type this in your mobile phone Chrome browser or any browser in your mobile phone. So let's go and see what happens when I type this on my mobile phone. I've opened my browser. I'll just go and type http : and this. Make sure that you write HTTP and not HTTPS, because HTTPS is secured, so it will not work. So you have to write HTTP :/192.168, your IP address :8000, and just press enter. And you can see all the files which were present in that folder are now on my mobile phone. From here, I just have to click on the file and it will download the file in my phone. Irrespective of the file size, it will work for any other file, and it is very smooth option if you want to transfer your file from your computer to phone. The only limitation here is that all the devices which are in this process should be in the same Wi-Fi network. If you like the content of the video, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.